There's a curse bot and the other's a Kraken Lord. You're new gens. Don't try to talk
Like,
shit. You're
genuinely,
terrible.
you're not.
I
No,
would pen
no,
on you
because
on
I'm telling
court
you right
any
now,
day
I
of the
wouldn't
week.
have
Do
a
you hear
ghost
me?
curse, bro.
Put me on court right now. I will slam you, you
Absolute
new
dog
gen
shit.
shitter.
If I was as bad as you guys are
You're
talking,
terrible.
bro, we wouldn't
You're
have killed you.
terrible.
If we're as
Curse
bad as
bot,
y'all...
by the way.